Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to activate WeChat Pay. So open a WeChat app and go to plus button right corner and click on money. It will be loading and add a bank card before using this feature. Add a card and add bank card. Adding your own bank card is required. Okay, type your card number as I fell. Type card type, which card type you have. Okay, it is confidential, so I will select and bank which is you have bank, select the bank and next button, complete the payment required and valid date of card and CVC code. Type this two informations and expirations and it will be load. So done. So this is how to activate WeChat Pay. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.